This week I want to talk about a technique that is called dry brush. Now the idea behind that concept is that you build a contrast between the raised parts and the lower part so you can better separate them if you look at it. So you're gonna need, of course, the piece that you wanna work with, a brush, a kitchen towel, and of course some paint. Now we take our workpiece and take some contrasting color, like in this case black, and we get rid as most of the wetness of the paint. And now we just go gently over the piece and try to just reach the raised parts. Often that technique is used together with another technique called black wash, which I showed in a different video. And then you have a dark wash and a bright dry brush on top. But I just wanted to show here that it also works if you just go with the contrast color. But this was the tip of this week.